Should you buy or sell Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of Redhill Biopharma Ltd. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed about crucial updates that can affect your investments is essential. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 27, 2023, our system has ranked Redhill Biopharma Ltd as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has surpassed our expectations with an impressive gain of 128% since we recommended buying Redhill Biopharma Ltd just 2 days ago. This means the stock has been delivering an average return of 64% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken its falling short-term trend and is now showing a slower rate of decline. This could be an early signal of a trend shift. On the downside, there will be support at the previous trend's resistance level of $0.434. This provides a potential second chance to capitalize on an upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -47.40% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -97.06% to -89.99%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 1.8% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -91.18% to 120.10%. This translates to a price range of $0.201 to $5.02 after 12 months. Our latest update on Redhill Biopharma Ltd brings some interesting news. On Tuesday, the stock price had a volatile ride, moving between $1.17 and $2.79. The stock price of Redhill Biopharma Ltd experienced a significant gain of 128% on the last trading day, Tuesday, November 28, 2023, increasing from $1 to $2.28. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. We're curious to see if the upward trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 138.46%, starting at a low of $1.17 and reaching a high of $2.79. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 635.48%, with 6 out of the last 10 days showing an upward trend. The total volume of shares bought and sold on the last day was approximately $334.41 million, with a decline of -44 million shares compared to the previous day. It's important to note that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $5.70, while the lowest price was $0.126. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 60% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $3.42, and 86.22% below the all-time high on August 4, 2016, when it reached $16.54. Analysts have assessed the stock of Redhill Biopharma Ltd and given it a general rating of neutral. They have determined the PE ratio and price to book both as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned a sell rating to the stock. The following signals have been identified for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. The Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections, there is expected support from the lines at $0.699 and $0.468. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals may be issued. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 10, 2023, resulting in a significant rise of 643.88% so far. Further upward movement is indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is worth noting that despite the stocks gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This discrepancy between volume and price could be an early warning sign and should be closely monitored. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. First, let's talk about the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The Bollinger signal, on the other hand, showed a buy signal 119 days ago. Both the short-term and long-term moving averages are indicating a buy signal, which occurred 3 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages also showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average displayed a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 106 days ago. For more signals like these, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. Let's start with support. Unfortunately, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions occur, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. Moving on to risk, this stock can be considered very high risk. It exhibits a high level of volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, also indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. To put the volatility into perspective, in just one day, the stock moved $1.62 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 138.46% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 47.3%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Redhill Biopharma Ltd, let's take a moment to discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a vital measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. Even well-established companies experience downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. When looking at accumulated volume, we can see that there is no significant resistance above. This suggests that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly, given the right conditions. If you decide to enter a position, pay close attention to volume as it can help you determine the right time to exit. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that the stock has the potential to experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're considering trading in such a situation, exercise caution and make sure you have the expertise to navigate these types of scenarios. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $2.22, reflecting a decrease of 2.56%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 97, further increasing the overall risk involved. However, it is worth noting that a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom 11 days ago. Is Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock a good buy? While Redhill Biopharma Ltd holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to make it a strong buy candidate. Instead, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating position while waiting for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate Redhill Biopharma Ltd to open lower, at $0.200, and start trading at $2.08. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's essential not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? We appreciate your support through likes and subscriptions. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us at Stock Invest.